Hi, Joy. So today we're going to be assembling a flute, and I'm going to be explaining to you the different parts that there is to a flute. So I started off my video by having me in a chair and my flute laying on my bed, or if I had another chair, I would have it laying on that because you don't want your students putting it in your lap because it can just fall right off. Or if it's on the ground, then there's a chance that someone's going to step on it. But let me go ahead and pull out this first piece. This is called the head joint. It's the piece of the instrument in which you blow out of. And how you want to set this up is like you're going to have the end on your left side and have the open piece joined towards your right, because when you blow into it, you want like the edge of your lips right here where your skin and lips actually meet. That's where you want to have it set on this circle that's right here. Because the way that when you blow, it's going to have like a perfect triangle coming right here down this mouthpiece. And moving on to the next part, this is the body of your flute, and you're going to connect your head joint to this part right here. This is also where you decide like how your flute is going to be angled. So the way that you want it to be angled is you want this hole to be in line with these holes right here. And so I'm just going to eyeball it a little bit. I like to say that that's right. And the way that you tune, if you pull out and pull in on sharpness, you're right here, the difference in brass. This is supposed to be half of a pinky width long. So I should push it in just a little bit. And that's where I want the head joint and the body to be at. And to make sure that everything is nice and aligned, feels that way. And so now we're going to go on to the last piece of the instrument, which is the foot joint. And on some of these brands, they have an arrow on them where you can see where these go. So I found the two arrows on here, and I'm just gonna put them on to where the arrows are right at each other. Here we go. Alright, and they are all put together. So you want to align this hole right here to these valves, and then if you don't have the little arrows that mark on the instrument to show you where they go, then you can do it by this. Let's see, this valve right here, this bar right here is in line with this valve, with this button. So that's another way that you can show how they all meet together. But yeah, this is full flute with head joint, the body and your foot joint, and I've showed you how to put it together, what each piece does. I'm going to show you real quick how to put your fingers on here. So for your left hand's going to go in front right here, and you're going to skip the first valve right here. You're going to put your first finger here, second, third, and fourth right there, and then on this one right here, you're also going to skip two valves and do 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Just rest it right there. And you can have your thumb, your left thumb is going to go over this part of your horn right here, and the other one can just relax on the other part of the flute. But yeah, that is my video for you on how to put your horn together, on how to put a flute together, and where to blow on the mouthpiece, on the head joint, and what is supposed to show on this shorter part of the head joint when you do blow correctly. But thank you.